today's vlog, I am going to be getting some lawn work done, and I want to talk to you about my lawn. It's not doing very good. It's actually not doing good at all. It's actually 6:53 a.m. and we have a lot going on today. We've got the Hello Kitty Cafe truck coming and we're gonna go wait in line for that. I know it's silly, but I do enjoy Hello Kitty, and they have a hoodie that I'd like. And it's also free comic book day, and that's a big deal for my husband. He really loves to go and get all the free comic books that he can. So we're going to be hitting a lot of comic stores. I think they're called comic stores. Comic book stores. Well, we're going to be doing a lot of that. But did I talk about the lawn yet? Yeah, I think I did. So that's why it's so early and I look so bad. Well, I always look bad, I guess. I have to tell you guys, I wanted to show you, we have a bird in our fern on the front porch, and we noticed it about a week ago. I recorded it, but I've been so busy. I started a new job and I just haven't had time to do anything. So, well, anyways, I recorded the bird. I'll insert some footage here of her in her nest. So the fern is here, hanging on my front porch. But yeah, we've got a mama bird in the fern on the front porch. We're pretty sure she's laid her eggs because she hasn't left that spot, and I can't even water the poor fern. I do my best, but I just don't want to disturb her, you know? So anyways, let's get this day started. I hope you enjoy coming along with it. Before we do that, I did talk about this in my most recent Temu haul. You guys, this has gone down in price. I think they had something, well, maybe not this particular one. Yes? What's wrong? Gidget, what's wrong? Good morning. You saying hi? Okay, I'm gonna finish now. So the price on this one, not this particular brand, but I've seen another one that's larger, and it's $6.84 right now. And you guys, this thing is really working. Let me show you. And actually, I have replaced this. So these, the sticky thing that I showed in my haul, this is a different sticky thing. We didn't even realize we had this many bugs flying around. And you know what it was? I bought a plant at Lowe's, and I know better than to do that because my Lowe's, they overwater and they get these bugs, which drives me crazy. But I can't resist a cute plant or a pretty plant. You get what I'm saying. But yeah, these things really do work. And I actually caught a larger insect, which looked like a mosquito, but it's not. They got these really long legs, and they kind of wobble when they fly. I call them wobble bugs, but anyways, I just wanted to share this with you. If you have a problem with mosquitoes getting in the house in the summer, maybe check these out. Good morning, Bixie. it's been a few hours and it's been a very long day. Hello Kitty was a very long line. Well, I guess it wasn't too long for us. We got there early enough. We're sitting under the sun and I was pretty exhausted by the time we were done with that. Then we had to hit the comic book stores, and I have to tell you guys, I was so tired because I don't know why, I'm just tired. I got up early, I've been working a lot. I actually fell asleep in the car. So I had my husband go in to the last 2 stores on his own while I stayed in the car and fell asleep. That's how tired I was. We did get the lawn mowed and I was able to trim some tree branches. I think I'll take you out there and I'll show you what I did. And I forgot to film because I was gonna take you guys out there and show you my lawn. I'll have to do that now. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to explain to you the process. But I actually have some footage from a few weeks ago that I took, but I didn't put into a video where I'm showing you, I'm gonna spread some stuff. And I think you're gonna get a better idea of just how bad my lawn is. And then you can see the footage today, so you can see just how it's changed. But I don't think it's any better. Hey guys, so today I need to spread this and have a little story behind it. So about 3 weeks ago, maybe 4, I treated my lawn. I'm not sure if you can see. And yeah, as you can see, I treated my lawn for weeds. It was like a weed and feed. Well, turns out most of my front lawn was weeds, so everything died. I did follow the instructions on the bag of weed and seed, but to be honest with you, I wasn't surprised that this happened because I knew my front lawn was pretty much just taken over by weeds. So it's been a few weeks, so now I'm going to go ahead and spread some, well, whatever this is. This is a seed and fertilizer. So hopefully this will help things. Let me show you what it looks like on the other side of the lawn. Here's the front lawn. As you can see, there's still like a bunch of crabgrass and whatnot, but it's definitely better than it was. So yeah, we're gonna spread that out. Hopefully that'll help. I have to show you the few items I did buy from Hello Kitty. Not sure if you guys are interested, but I really want to share. Gidget, can you get down? Can you get down? Please get down. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. Get down. Shh. You're not listening. Get down. Come on. Are you just going to get comfortable? Okay. She's not going to listen, so I'm just going to continue. So my husband went into one comic store and they had, I don't know, I guess she's like an artist and she does like she did this. So he bought this print. I should say his birthday was Friday, so this was kind of, his birthday present. So he bought this. Oh, did I say she was actually there? I don't know. Her name is Ariel Diaz, I believe. And he bought a couple of prints, and this is one of them. And here she signed down here, and guess this is her artwork, right? This is her artwork here? Yeah. She actually drew this. Okay. Or however they do it, I don't know. And then here is the other side. Or is there 2 in there? Oh, there's 2 in there. And here's the... Oh, he bought a total of 3 of these. And this thing here. So that was pretty cool. He was pretty excited about that. And I don't know, I realize you guys may not be interested in comics, but I guess Keanu Reeves is like making comics now, so that's cool. And my husband decided he needed to get the first 10, and I don't think he was able to get them all. I think he's missing the first one. But these are some of the freebies. That's his little haul. And there's Gidget, still not listening. I grabbed this t-shirt at the Hello Kitty Cafe truck. It's a Ringer tee. Look at this crazy girl. And the other one's meowing. Everyone's happy that we're home. And Isn't this just the sweetest? I couldn't resist it. Look at her little paws. Just so cute. I believe this was $30. I did get this in an extra, extra large because I know this will shrink. It has some cotton in it, 52% cotton. It may not shrink too bad, but I like my t-shirts a little on the baggy side. And then I bought this hoodie. This hoodie was not cheap, but we do save up for things like this, so we're not, you know, shell shocked when we go there. It's got this little pocket here. This one was $70. I know that's a lot and it's ridiculous, but we were celebrating. It's got the pink inside the hoodie, and it says Hello Kitty Cafe on this one sleeve, and then on the other sleeve it has these little decals here, and then on the back on the right side it has this little cupcake with sprinkles. Oh, I did get 2 more items. I did grab these as well. It was a 2-pack for $19. You get 2 pins. I'm actually going to turn these into magnets. I'm going to cut the backs off and glue magnets to the back. This one, she's got a little dress on, eating a cookie. And here she's dressed like a chef. What I want to do is I want to be able to glue these, or not glue them, but stick them to my little board that I made. I mean, I have a bigger one, which I use for filming a lot, but this one's really come in handy just to keep on the desk. This is actually magnetic, and I went ahead and because I'm always having trouble finding a lip balm when I'm in here, so I just went ahead and used these leftover pieces from when I made this one and the other one from Dollar Tree. I just glued them on the back of my lip balms, and so now I always have a lip balm handy. But I thought how cute it would be to actually have a Hello Kitty pin here on my Hello Kitty clipboard. So that's what I'm planning on doing with these. Normally Mama Bird is right in there, but I don't see her. She never leaves the nest. So as you can see, this is my front porch we're on. Let's see. Can you guys see that okay? That's the nest. But Mama Bird is usually in it. Oh, she is in it. Oh no, are those the babies? Oh my gosh, is that the baby? So as you can see, that's my front porch, and that's the nest. That's where the nest is, but on the other side. Okay, now let me show you the lawn. All right, here's my lawn. So if you saw the footage, if I inserted it correctly, you would have seen my lawn had yellow patches. And it still does in areas, but do you see these bald spots? And actually there's quite a bit of weeds, and you can't see them right now, but I was looking out here earlier when the sun was out. It's gotten kind of overcast right now, but here you go. I have a ton of these, you know, those little, are they dandelions? Those guys are still everywhere in my lawn, and it's not any better. So I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna water it, mow it. I'm afraid to put anything else on it because I don't want to make it worse. I have seen something called Sunday Lawn, or I don't know, so it's something that they send you. I've gone ahead and moved over to this side of the house so you can see. It's something that they send you and you spray it on your lawn. It comes in a green bag. I mean, and look over there. So I don't know. I think I just ended up killing everything on my lawn except for the weeds. Do you see, like, it's still brown right over here? And I'm back on the other side. A lot of people out today. Here's some of the tree trimmings that we did. And I'll go ahead and, I think I'll go to the backyard and show you that. All right, here we are in the backyard. I wanted to show you guys this also. I showed this in a haul recently, and this thing is working pretty good. My husband really likes it. He's been using it out here on his little plant that he's growing. Yes, I know, it's a mess. Life has been so busy lately. I just feel like I don't have time for anything. I need to get some of this cleaned up. But there I go, rambling again. But yeah, this is working really good, and he's very happy with it. As you can see, it's keeping his little plants moist. We do have some peaches. I mean, you know, we've got a ways to go, so squirrels are probably going to get to them. They always do. Let me show you the area I was talking about. So along these lines, so like our electrical lines, the trees were hanging down quite a bit. So I got up on the ladder and I just started trimming. You can kind of see, like right in there. I just started trimming anything that was hanging too low that I could reach. It's the best we can do. We just do it ourselves. Not really sure if anyone's interested, but I am gonna show you my peach tree. We cut that back some time ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and it's doing a lot better. It looks so much prettier, and it's actually growing in. It's, you know, it's never going to be as big as it was, but it's still very beautiful. Look at all these peaches. The squirrels get them. They get them every year though. Such a shame. Yeah, we got the lawn done, and I have to tell you guys, I meant to film it, but I was in such a hurry to get it done this morning so we can go to Hello Kitty that I didn't. So I think while Mama Bird is out, I think I'm gonna go and water that fern, because that fern, it's been kind of difficult to water because I'm trying really hard not to disturb her. But the thing is, the plant is getting droopier, the drier it gets, and then she doesn't have as much coverage. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try and do that now. I was able to water. I was gonna film it, then I thought it might be best if I don't. I don't want to disturb them. But if those were birds I saw, they're pretty big. They grow pretty fast, I guess. Well, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. It's been a long day. I realize I've already signed off for the day, but my feet are killing me. I am going to soak in my little tub there, and I think I'm going to treat myself with these little bath confettis I found at Dollar Tree. I think I hauled these. And I picked these up at Tesso. It's like a box of 10. I like to just dump them in there. And then later, face mask time. A little bit of self-care tonight. We're back from church, and I think I'm going to change my clothes out. Our movie starts at 11:10, and when we get back from the movie, I've got chores. I don't like doing them on Sunday, but with how busy I've been, I'm going to have to get a few of them done today. are back from the movie, and actually it was a really good movie. We really liked it. It was lots of fun, and we went to a couple of stores. Let me show you. We did stop at Daiso again. My husband did not think that the magnets I have are strong enough for these pins, so we went to Daiso because he had seen these there the other day, and we picked these up so I can go ahead and place them on the back of these pins. Hopefully that made some sense to you guys. I have some other magnets. They're smaller, and I did buy those from Dollar Tree, but he was right. These are pretty strong. You see that? The other ones aren't quite that strong. So we got that from Daiso. And if you, in the footage, you probably saw that Tuesday morning next to Target is closing. Well, it's kind of confusing because the sign says everything up to 30% off, but you know what that means. That just means they're just taking off the lowest amount. So pretty much everything was just 10% off except for curtains, and I think the gentleman said pillows. I did find this for $9.99, $10. I actually found a few more I wanted, but with only 10% off, I decided to leave them there. But I did go ahead and decide to buy this one and hold off on the others. I really do like these storage books. I like to use those a lot in my room. I don't have a lot of storage space, and I like that they look like books. So I got that for 10% off. Original price was $10, which I know it's not a lot, but what are you going to do? I really wanted it. And we went to Target, which you probably saw in the video as well, and all we bought was toothpaste. So I needed more toothpaste, and this is the Tom's, or well, technically the more natural type of toothpaste, like Tom's or this Burt's Bees, I normally can use without getting a rash in my mouth. So I haven't tried this one before, but I think I'm going to attempt it. I think it'll be okay because it doesn't have any of, you know, these weird ingredients, but we'll see. I don't technically know what I'm allergic to. I just know anytime I have any regular toothpaste like Colgate or Crest, I get a terrible rash in my mouth. And then my husband, he wants to try this Sensodyne wait, I can't say it. Sensodyne Pronamel Repair and Whitening. Okay, I finally got it out. So that was it. Yeah, pretty much when I go into Target nowadays, I just try to get what I need. I did look at the Target Dollar Spot or Playground area. Saw lots of fun stuff, but I decided to say no to that. So now I have a few chores to do. I've just got to clean the bathrooms, and you know what? I think that might be it because it's actually... So what time is it? So it's like 3:30, right? 3:29, 3:30 right now. I think I want to relax a bit after I get my the bathrooms cleaned. Something I got to do. Haven't done them in a few days. They get pretty nasty. I've decided before I go ahead and get those chores done, I'm going to go ahead and do this really quick. I've learned the hard way that I need to put something down when doing something like this, because if not, I get glue everywhere. Hopefully you can forgive my wrinkled silicone mat. By the way, does anyone else have like a indoor toolkit? Because it's just easier to have a few tools inside the house than go into the garage all the time. I do. And yes, this is a cut. I know, I did that. I'm so disappointed in myself. Oh well, still works. Let's hope I can do this right. If not, my husband is standing by. Oh dear. Well, I hate to say this, but my husband was right again. I got that done, but did you see how the painter's tape took off her dress decal? You know, the little dress. So just something, not that I think anyone here is going to be going to the Hello Kitty Cafe truck, but something to be mindful of if you are someone like me who goes there. I guess the products really aren't that durable. And I'll be honest with you, the customer service is almost non-existent. And I say that only because I've seen on Instagram how a lot of people are having the same problem I had with this cup last year. See how the decals come off? It is a hand wash. It is a hand wash only cup or mug, but I knew that going into it. And see, this decal right here is almost complete. There's a glare. Sorry about that. Let's see. This decal right here is pretty much almost all gone. So I knew that this was hand wash only. I hand washed it very carefully, I'm telling you. And I still lost decals. So you live and you learn. I've got these here drying, and I'm going to put them up higher so that Gidget can't get to the glue. And hopefully they'll turn out okay. But I think this is the dress, yeah. Can you see that okay? She's still really cute though. I'll let you guys have a better look once the glue is dry. That'll probably be tomorrow though. Good morning, everyone. And look, our little baby birds, they're so cute. Earlier this morning, they were pecking up at their mom. I guess they're hungry. Look. I can't get too close without the camera getting blurry. I'm inside. I actually look like a real mess this morning. Pretty tired. I actually got to sleep in today for the first time in like days. Oh my gosh, it felt so good. Got a cup of tea going and thought I'd show you. Let me see if I can get a light on here. There we go. It's actually 8:34. That feels late because I've been getting up so early, but here's one. They turned out really well. The glue is dried. And here's the other magnet. And you can see her little dress has come off, but that's okay.